In this tutorial we will go for this one. Okay, we need to go to 1080 and 1080 pixel size, and we need to go to the surfing elements and choose this one and this one. For this time delete this one and too big, and then little bit and text sun life. Okay, and need to go font hamster one. Okay, this one, and auto big size. Okay, and go for black or white background and little bit. Okay, now perfect. Now here you can choose the color for undo and background. Sorry, we need to go to background and this one. Okay, okay, share and download. Now we need to go for photopea.com, and here we select a new project, and that is the download item, and here we can choose here, drag and drop here, or choose from computer, and then just here click here and wait some moment. Magic wonder, just click some time, and then hold on and magic wand, and here we can choose this one and delete this one, delete this one, delete, and this way we delete the whole part. This part, this part, this part, this part, and this part, this part. Wait some moment. After we finish that, we will go for next one and finish it, and this one also. Okay, then this one is not done, this one is not done. Okay, I think everything is complete. You want to remove this one also, and then file and say export as PNG, and then just save it. And next one we will go for again to this part and new one. Okay, now remove the background and white part, and element of download, upload file, and this one click here and just drag it. Okay, and then go for element and this one, there back, and move to big. Now go to the first one and just copy it and then paste it, and here move there, and effect here, here this one, outline and thickness, just thickness. But this one is not good for me. Then we can go for lift this one, and intensity 100%, and that's it. Okay, it's done. So if you like the tutorial, then like it and share it, and comment which country you see the article. Thank you so much.